Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you prefer shading with a long fine lead pencil or shading with a regularly sharpened pencil? Now let's talk about it. Shading with a regularly sharpened pencil has its drawbacks. The main disadvantage lies in the broader tip informed after sharpening. A broader tip makes it challenging to achieve fine details. A normal sharpened pencil tends to wear down quickly, leading to frequent sharpening. This interruption in the creative process can be time-consuming and disrupt the flow of the artist's work. It can cause uneven shading, especially in areas where a more delicate touch is required. Achieving a smooth gradient becomes more challenging with a pencil that doesn't maintain a consistent fine point. Now let's try using a long fine lead mechanical pencil. First of all, I am trying to sharpen my lead with the sandpaper. I gently move the lead on the sandpaper and I'm not pushing too much pressure on it because it may break the lead down. And in this way, I will have a sharp, fine tip for my lead and I can start my work with it. Now my mechanical pencil lead has a sharp tip like a needle. So that's the reason why professional artists choose long, fine lead pencils for shading. It is all about control and precision. The longer length provides a comfortable grip and allows for delicate movements, crucial for detailed shading. It minimizes the need for frequent sharpening, maintaining a consistent fine point. Now contrast this with a regularly sharpened pencil. While it might work well for broader strokes, the broader tip formed after sharpening isn't ideal for intricate shading. It can lead to less control and precision in the details. Now take a look at this small area I am shading, or it can be a small area like an eye or intricate pattern. A long fine lead pencil lets the artist create subtle variations in shading and capturing nuances that might be challenging with a broader tip. In essence, it's about having the right tool for the job. These specialized pencils cater to the demands of detailed shading work, providing the artist with the finesse needed to bring out the subtleties in their creations. Happy drawing!